Hello guys, so I am making this video because I have been looking at this particular wrench set from Matco for a long time and I could not find any information and I could not find any videos of anybody reviewing this particular set. So I work in an aviation industry, so I am using a standard combination wrench set that are all in inches here. But if you are looking for this particular set but in metric, the part number for the standard set is SMC132K and the metric set is SMCM152K. So you can buy that if you work in an automotive industry or if you just need a metric set. Now I believe this is the largest set that Matco offers for standard, and this is as you can see here 13 pieces, and if you are looking for a metric set, they actually offer 15 pieces on that one. So yeah, let's go through this. To begin with, the reason why I was looking at this particular set is because I also have a snap-on flank drive plus set in standard sizes. I have the 10-piece flank drive plus set, and I kind of wanted to get this set to compare how the flank drive plus performs against, I guess, the Matco's version of the flank drive plus. So first, let's just look at a few boxes here. Let's just look at the boxes here and let's see what it says. So it says here it can stop corner round off and remove fasteners up to 40% faster, and so and so and so, and these are the sizes that are offered in this set here, and you can kind of see them through here, and there you can see the part number again, SMC132K. Remember, this is for the SAE standard sizes, and if you're looking for a metric version of this, remember the part number for the metric is SMCM152K. And if you look on the side of the boxes here, they just give you the part number here and tells you what the 12-point box end can remove. And there's more sizes, the part number. Now, if you look at the back, it shows you here that it's got a anti-slip type mechanism on the open end. And that is it. So let's get this opened up. So this is my first time opening it. I actually, before making this video, I did not open it at all. So just out of the box, I guess that most of it are already in their, I guess, holder, or in their spot on the rack, with the exception of the 1/4-inch wrench there. But that's not a biggie. Just drop that in there. Oh, it's kind of too big for. Okay, that doesn't stay in, so that's fine. So I'm gonna just grab here 3/8 and then kind of this 7/16. All right, I'm just gonna show you here what it looks like. First of all, it looks like it's got a pretty nice chrome job here. It's got some stuff there, but I don't see any scratches or damages as far as I can see on the chrome job here. I don't know if there's a scratch or marring or whatnot, but I don't think it's anything significant, so I'm fine with that. And now let's look at the open end here. So it looks like that on the open end. It's got the teeth or anti-slip feature on both sides like that. So it looks pretty good. I also, as I said before, I also have the Snap-on Flank Drive Plus, and doesn't look too different from it. I don't know how it will perform against the Flank Drive Plus. I'm actually gonna take this to work tonight and put it to the test. So we'll see how that goes. And I actually don't have the Flank Drive Plus here with me to measure how long this one is compared to the Flank Drive Plus. But if you guys ever do buy this set, do lay them side by side and see which one is longer and which one is more comfortable. Or either that, or maybe I'll make another video comparing them side by side and how they performed. So as you can see here, this comes with a plastic. Yeah, this is a plastic rack, wrench rack, and gives all the sizes here. And this stops at 15/16. Now, if you guys need 1-inch size as well for this particular set, I also ordered the 1-inch size wrench from Matco right here. This is the part number. This is the part number for the 1-inch size, and this is that wrench. So if I were to put it here, you can see it's a little bigger than the 15/16 inch, and it's big enough where you can grab it with your hand and get a nice torque on it. And as with the other ones, this one also has the anti-slip feature on the open end. From what I can see, maybe I should have watched this time with a hand sanitizer, alcohol, and a paper towel or something like that. But as far as I can see, I don't see any significant. Actually, this one got a little scratch here. If you guys can see right there, it's got a scratch right there. For me, it's not that significant because you know, aviation industry where I work, we drop wrenches left and right, and it gets marred all the time. But that doesn't really bother me so long as it works fine, and so long as it is durable enough where it's gonna last me through years. I'm fine with that. So I'm gonna keep this set and continue to use it over the period of years and see. I'm just gonna observe how it performs. And this is the back side of it. Oh, I think this is a little more clean on the back side. Again, this is the part number for the 1-inch size for this wrench. A little marring there, I think. No, it's pretty clean with a little bit of scratch right there, but it doesn't really bother me too much. So that is the set. I'm just gonna put the 1-inch right here. Now this set is pretty expensive. This particular set here, SMC132K, is about $330, but I used my student discount through Matco, and I got this set for about, I think it was $160, and then this this one on its own is about $43, but again, I used the student discount, and I think I got this for about $24. And so overall, altogether, I think I got this 14-piece standard SAE combination wrench set for about $190. and that in itself is significantly cheaper than my 10-piece flank drive plus snap-on wrench set, because even with the student discount, when I got the 10-piece SAE flank drive plus wrench set, I paid about $202. Its original price is about $410. With the 50% off student discount, it was still about $202, $205. So, and that's only about 10 piece. So for about $10 to $20 less, you can get a 14-piece set from Matco. Now again, I never tested this side by side between this one and the flank drive plus. I'm going to do that over the period of time in my work, so I can say which one is better as of now. But again, I made this video because I could not find any videos or information on this particular wrench set. No one really made a video regarding it, so I thought I might as well make this video and put this out there for whoever is interested in either SMC132K set or SMCM152K set. So I am not a YouTuber. I don't usually make YouTube videos, but I'm just making this video just for whoever is interested in it, whoever wants to find out more about these sets. So thank you.